Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete page in Office 365. In here, I have three pages. This is page 1 contain hello, and then page 2 contain I am, and then the last page in page 3 contain Nosware text. In here, for example, I want to delete page 2, and the easiest way is we can click view first in here and then choose navigation pin in here. Okay, you need to activate navigation pin, and then for deleted some page, for example, you have three pages in here and you can go to home tab in here, go to find, and then choose go to here. Okay, find, go to, and then you can enter in the go to tab some page you want to delete. In here I want to delete the section in page 2 or all of content in page 2. I put 2 number in here and choose number 2 I am in here, and then you can type backslash page like this. After that you can right click, cut, or using a deleted page. You can see there is now 2 page in here. Page in number 3 is, or number 2 is deleted, and then this is just content hello and Nosware, and page in number 2 all is deleted. That's our tutorial how to delete page in Microsoft Word. Hope this video helpful. Thank you.